Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast that delves into the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey of discovery. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and somewhat eerie phenomenon that's been unfolding along our coastlines, the rise of ghost forests. Imagine walking through a forest, surrounded by the familiar sights and sounds of nature, only to find that the trees around you are dying, their trunks bleached white, their branches skeletal. This is what's happening in many coastal areas, where rising sea levels and increased saltwater intrusion are causing forests to succumb to the encroaching tide. As we walk through these ghost forests, the silence is palpable. The only sound is the rustling of leaves and the creaking of trees, a haunting reminder that this ecosystem is on the brink of collapse. But what's driving this transformation? According to coastal ecologist Karen Gedan, it's primarily due to sea level rise, which brings more intense storm surges and flooding, causing saltwater to penetrate deeper into the soil. As the groundwater table shifts, trees are deprived of fresh water, and salt accumulates in the soil. It's a slow process, taking decades for the trees to die, but the impact is already being felt. Researchers estimate that since 1985, 11% of the forest in the Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge has been converted to marsh, while around 150 square miles of forest surrounding the Chesapeake Bay area have transitioned since the mid-1800s. Now, you might think that this shift from forest to marsh is a tragedy, but it's not entirely so. Marshes are important features of coastal ecosystems, providing habitats for birds, crustaceans, and native salt-tolerant plants. They also store carbon from the atmosphere and buffer inland ecosystems from storms. However, not all salt marshes can replace a forest's ability to sequester carbon, and sometimes invasive plant species move in, disrupting the delicate balance of these ecosystems. As we navigate this complex issue, it's clear that combating sea level rise and climate change is crucial to slowing down the trend. But for now, we're left with a haunting landscape, a testament to the power of nature and the impact of human activities on our planet. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying the beautiful scenery around us today. As we continue on our journey, I'd like to take a break from the natural world and dive into the exciting realm of high school sports. Today, we're going to talk about an incredible competition that took place at the 92nd Mehawk Invitational, where some talented young athletes gathered to showcase their skills. The event was filled with thrilling moments, and I'm excited to share some of the highlights with you. One of the standout performances came from the Lexington High School team, who took home the top prize in the competition. Their victory was led by an impressive showing in the 4x200-meter relay, where they edged out their opponents by a narrow margin. But what's even more remarkable is the story behind their success. As we delve into the world of high school track and field, we meet athletes like Gavin Baker, a sophomore from Shelby, who dominated the 110-meter hurdles with a time of 15.9 seconds. Baker's impressive start and technique left the competition in awe, and his victory was well-deserved. Another notable performance came from Jaden Goings, a senior from Ashland, who took home the gold medal in the 300-meter hurdles. Despite facing stiff competition, Goings persevered and crossed the finish line with a time of 40.56 seconds. His determination and skill are truly inspiring, and it's clear that he has a bright future ahead of him. We also saw an impressive display of strength from Clear Fork junior Julian Mills, who won the shot put competition with a throw of 54.6 feet. Mills has been on a roll this season, winning multiple events and setting new personal records. His dedication to his craft is evident, and it's exciting to think about what he might achieve in the future. Last, but not least, we have Crestview junior Liam Kuhn, who repeated as pole vault champion with a height of 14.6 feet. Kuhn's performance was all the more impressive given the challenging weather conditions, and his ability to adapt and overcome obstacles is a testament to his skill and mental toughness. As we wrap up this segment of Nature Walk, I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of high school sports. These talented young athletes are truly inspiring, and it's been a pleasure to share their stories with you. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, dear listeners. As we conclude our journey through the wonders of the natural world today, I'd like to take you on a celestial adventure that will leave you starstruck. It's a time of year when the veil between our terrestrial existence and the cosmos is at its thinnest, allowing us to glimpse the breathtaking beauty of our home galaxy, the Milky Way. As we delve into the early morning hours of February onwards, the starry band of the Milky Way begins to reappear in dark skies. It's a phenomenon that has captivated astronomers and photographers alike, inspiring them to capture the ethereal beauty of our galaxy. The Earthski community of photographers has shared some spectacular images with us, showcasing the Milky Way in all its glory. Imagine standing on a sacred plateau near the summit of Mount Moses in Egypt, gazing up at the celestial showcase above. Osama Fathi's photograph from this very location is a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of the Milky Way. Or picture yourself in the white desert of Egypt, surrounded by surreal limestone formations that seem almost otherworldly under the cosmic glow of the galactic core. As we journey through these stunning images, we're reminded of the infinite wonders that await us in the universe. From the ancient lands of Kutch in India to the Alabama hills near Lone Pine, California, each photograph tells a story of adventure, perseverance, and a deep connection with the natural world. The return of Milky Way season is a poignant reminder of our place within the grand tapestry of existence. As we gaze up at the starry expanse, we're invited to contemplate the mysteries of the cosmos and our role within it. It's a time for reflection, wonder, and awe. So, take a moment to step outside on a clear night, look up at the sky, and let the beauty of the Milky Way wash over you. Remember that you're part of a larger universe, connected to the stars, the planets, and all the creatures that inhabit our planet. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.